I think receiving this award was really, we were so excited. I think number one is we're recognized, and number two that we actually won.
So for me, it is kind of a nice vindication of the work we've put in and the effort we've done to have that kind of recognized by an outside source and the community in general.
It was still surreal. My nerves were a mess. Getting up and accepting the award was something that I actually barely remember.
It's humbling and it's exciting and it's an awful lot of emotions all in one. And the event itself was really spectacular, but then the events that followed after that, it was surprising the level of response that we got. It was surprising the number of people who became aware of this and reached out to us, and it was humbling, it was enlightening, and it started conversations and opened doors that I really hadn't expected it to.
If I could have one superpower, it would probably be having sustainable energy all day long. And probably my second one, I'd like to learn how to dunk a basketball. I've never been able to dunk a basketball.
I think my power would be to
slow time down a little bit.
during this time of year specifically, we do taxes. And so from January until April, time cannot go slow enough for us.
If I could have any superpower, well, I'd have to go back to childhood fantasies, and that would be to time travel.
I think if I had to choose a superpower, I would choose to be able to fly.
People ask me all the time, hey, I want to do what you're doing and whatever, and I'm like, go for it. But I have to understand at the same time there's a lot of work involved. You have to continually upgrade, and it's not always easy, but the benefits are outstanding. So chase your dreams and don't look back.
Do not be afraid to fail. With that being said, it's very important to learn from any mistakes or failures that occur.
For me, I think it's a combination of, you always hear people say, do what you love and it will work out. I think you have to, enjoy what you do, but you also have to be really committed to the process.
What I would say to future entrepreneurs is take whatever limits you think are out there and put them aside, and don't listen to what other people think. You'll be successful because you'll do the things that they're not willing to do. And if you're crazy enough to think that you can change the world, you just might do it.